In Beginner's English, lesson number 12, you will learn various things. First is when you think, you can think aloud. The first 10 sentences are like that, thinking aloud. Then naming things. When you go to shopping or when you go out, if you keep identifying things, it helps you to learn English. The sentences are much longer as the lessons go higher. Look at each sentence, say it many times. There are 75 sentences here. So practice each one of them. That will help you. If the words are difficult, then write a comment and ask me what is your difficulty. Hype every video you see so that many thousands of beginners can get the benefit of these lessons which I am preparing for you. Don't forget to practice because that is what helps you to become better. I need to go to a supermarket today. I have a long list of items to buy. I have heard there is a model supermarket nearby. But how will I reach that place? Will someone be able to tell me the way? Let me walk to the main road and see. Oh, look! There is a gentleman with a shopping bag. He must be on his way to buy something. It is possible that he is going to the supermarket. Let me ask him. He may tell me the way. Excuse me, may I know the way to the model supermarket? Now you see the other gentleman replies, hello, do you want to go to the supermarket? Yes, sir, I am new to this locality. I am not sure which is the way to the supermarket. Now the helpful gentleman replies, would you like to come with me? I am going there now. Thank you, sir. That would be nice. How shall we go there? Since it is not very far, we can walk if you want. While returning, we shall have many items to carry. Then it'll be difficult to walk. We can take a cab on our way back. Sure, sounds like a plan. Let's do that. It's really fortunate that I met you. Otherwise, I don't know what I would have done. Especially since you're going to the supermarket, I'm really happy I met you. That's all right. I'm happy to have your company. Here we are. Let's take a trolley each and begin shopping. If you tell me the items on your list, I can show you their location. I regularly buy everything from this supermarket. Thank you. I need a toothbrush and some toothpaste. That's in the first aisle to your extreme left. I also need some soap, shampoo, and detergent. You will find them in the next shelf. Oh, look, there are some soft cotton towels in that place. Yes, they are very good. But they are not cotton. Those are bamboo towels. Very soft and quick drying. I have never come across bamboo towels before. Have you used them? Oh, yes, I bought them from here. I use mine every day and am very happy with it. Then let me also buy a couple of them. What else do you have on your list? Some tea and coffee powder. Also, some juices and fresh fruits. For all that, we need to move to the next floor. I feel bad that you are spending all your time helping me. You have not begun your shopping yet. Nothing to worry. I'm not in a hurry. Wow, this floor is very interesting. It also has dry fruits. The ready to cook items look good. Would you like to pick up some of those? Not really. My family will be here next week. I think I'll come again with them and buy these. Anything else remaining on your list? Does this place have LED lights and ceiling fans? Yes, that's the topmost floor. Okay, let us complete your shopping first. After that, we can go to the top floor. My list is not long as I come here often. I want to buy a bag of rice and some wheat flour. I also need some spices and a few vegetables. Here they all are. Should I help you? That'll be very good. I'll show you my list. You get these items and I will get the others. That way we can finish faster. On which floor is the billing counter? Billing counters are there on all floors. Since we are going to the top floor last, we'll get it done there. That was a great shopping experience. Thank you. Now, let's move to the exit gate and book a cab. Sure, let me help you carry your bag. Let me remind you at the end of the lesson to read each sentence aloud and practice. Learn to speak your thoughts like the first 10 sentences in this lesson. Name things as you find in the supermarket, and this will improve your vocabulary. Thank you and all the best.